Hello my dear students, welcome to a very interesting session bacha on our platform Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel. We are going to solve 10 most repeated questions from circles today. Yes, so I've taken your P by Qs, I've analyzed your P by Qs, I've seen the trends, and from there bacha I've taken 10 most repeated questions, 10 most important questions from the chapter circles, right? So we'll solve all these 10 questions. Please solve this question. First of all, you have to solve these questions with me in the session, and then please solve it from your side also. How can you do that? So bacha, you have to download the class sessions PDF from the WhatsApp channel. I hope you have already joined. If not, join right now and get the questions, okay? Solve from your side without looking at the answers. Give your own attempt, give your fair attempt. Then if you're able to get the answer, very good. If not, then you check the answer given by me. I hope you understand that, okay? So again, I've taken a question from case study, question from MCQs. Yes, there is a repeated pattern in MCQs also. In the assessment reason also, I've taken a lot of questions like that, okay? So total of 10 questions we're going to solve: case study, assessment reason, MCQ. I hope you're ready for that. Let me know if you like this, this new that thing I've thought about, that solving questions on all the chapters which are more trendy, which can be asked in this examination as well. So most important, most repeated questions I'm going to give you for all the majority of chapters, right? So let me know in the comment section what you feel about this particular thing that I've thought of, okay? So now I'm going to start with the questions. So just quickly have a look what we have as question number 1. In figure, TA is a tangent to the circle. Yes. Bacha, this question is not asked multiple occasions. Sir, you've written over here only 23, sir. Only 23, sir. There's no next years. Bacha, I'll tell you what, in 2023 only, no, they have asked this question 3 times. Sir, how come, sir? Bacha, they have asked this question on this property. That circle is there, tangent is there, and this radius is there. Means on this property, that radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. They have asked these questions based upon this concept only, at least 3 times in 2023 only. Okay, means this concept becomes very, very vital for you going into the examination, solving a MCQ on circles. I'm telling you, go ahead, check your previous year question papers. 2023, they have asked bacha 3 questions based upon the same concept. Clear? Okay, sir, let's solve this question now. In figure, TA is a tangent. TA is a tangent to the circle with center O. Okay, such that OT is 4. This OT is 4, and OTA is 30. OTA is 30. Okay, so we know this, bacha. We can draw this line. Will be the radius and will be perpendicular to the tangent. Radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. We can make bacha now right angle triangle. Use the ratios now. What ratios, sir? Trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let's solve it with that. So I have to find the value of TA, right? It means that's adjacent side, right? What is TA? Adjacent side. It means I have to use cos. Cos, because of the adjacent side, sir. Cos 30 degree equals to TA divided by OT, the hypotenuse. OT is the hypotenuse, right? Yes. Okay. So cos 30 is how much, bacha? Root 3 by 2. TA is the unknown. Okay. And OT is 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, cross multiply now. I get 2 root 3 equals to TA. Any option like this? Option number C. Clear? Agreed? Very important concept, bacha. Very, very important concept. Okay, this, which is the concept, bacha? Perpendicular line coming from where? The radius and the tangent. Always perpendicular at the point of contact. Moving on to question number 2. Okay. Assessment reason. Okay, let's have a look. Again, this is asked in 2023 only. Okay, I have taken one assessment reason. I wanted to solve it for you, but there was not any repetition in the question in assessment reason, but concepts can be repeated this time as well. Okay, so that's why I've taken this particular question. Assessment states that a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Correct? We just learned it. So assessment is right. We just learned this part, right? Use this concept in the question number 1. Okay, this theorem. The length of the tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Correct, na? This circle like this. You have a tangent point, external point over here given like this. You draw 2 tangents like this. Okay. Excuse me. Will be equal in length. It will be equal in length. All of you agree? Right? Okay, sir. It means even this statement is correct. But are they, does the reason explain the assertion? So there are 2 different theorems only, correct? It means it doesn't explain. So they are both true but doesn't explain the assertion. Okay, so option number B is correct. Option number B is correct. All of you agree? Okay, moving on to question number 3. Yes, not much is there, that's why I'm not giving much time in this particular questions. Okay, simple concepts are there. The chapter itself is very simple, right? All of you agree, but Even in the simple questions, bacha, simple chapters, we have to score marks. And how we do that? By making our preparation up to the ace level, perfect level. Okay, how we do that? By solving lot of questions. We have done that. We have learned this chapter in detail. If you have not watched the videos, go ahead, check the math playlist. I have done circles in detail, bacha. I have solved a lot of questions, a lot of PYQs I've solved. We have given mocks, everything we have done. Revision also was done. But now it's right time to, you know, it's just just before examination. I thought what I can do to help you out. So I am giving you 10 most important, 10 most repeated questions from the circles. All of you agree? Okay, chaliye. So two concentric circles of radii A and B. Okay, concentric means same center, different radiuses. Let's draw, bacha. Same center, different radiuses. Something like this. I know it's not perfect. Please accept it. Okay. So I can draw this to be one of the radius, and this to be other radius. Okay. Will it work? Of course. A is greater than B, so I have to call this length to be, bacha, A, and this length to be B. Smaller radius is B, right? Smaller radius is B, greater is A. Okay. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle's chord. Okay, which touches the smaller circle. Means tangent. What does this mean, bacha? A line which touches the smaller circle or any circle is called as tangent. Okay, so I can draw the chord like this. This line, if I call this to be center O, this to be AB. Just agree with me, please. AB will be chord of the larger circle. AB will be chord of larger circle. Yes, and AB will be tangent of smaller circle. Right? So tangent means one point contact, that's why touching the circle, and chord because of the larger circle. You can see here. Okay. So we're looking to find, bacha, what? The length of the chord of the larger circle. Okay. Chaliye. Let's call this point to be point D. We know this is perpendicular. We know, bacha, OD is perpendicular to AB. Reason, bacha? Reason. Radius and tangent at the point of contact. What is the reason, bacha? Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Where, sir? At point of contact. At point of contact. At point of contact. All of you agree? Yes, sir. So because of that reason, we have learned a property in grade 9. What was it? Whenever you draw a perpendicular line to a chord, it bisects the chord. I'll repeat. If you draw perpendicular to the chord in a circle, of course, chord is in a circle, it will bisect the chord, bacha. Yes. A perpendicular to any chord bisects the chord. Bisects the chord. All of you agree? In that case, bacha, what happens is AD equals to BD. AD equals to BD, right? Bisects means AD and BD will be equal lengths. Okay, it means D is the midpoint. It means that AB would be twice of AD. And what we are looking for? We are looking for this length AB only, no? How come, sir? Length of the largest, chord of larger circle. So AB is that particular chord. So if I find AD, I'll get AB by multiplying 2 to it. Can I find AD? Simple, sir. From the Pythagoras theorem. So let's find AD. In triangle ADO. This is ADO, bacha. This is D, okay? ADO. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay, let's little bit confusing. I'll just rewrite this D part. Okay. All right, sir. This is D, sir. This is D. So ADO. What we have, bacha, from Pythagoras theorem? We have, sir, AD square is equals to A square minus B square. How come, sir? Hypotenuse square minus one of the adjacent side or one of the sides of the right angle triangle. So OA square minus OD square. So A square minus B square, which makes the length AD to be root of A square minus B square, which makes the length, bacha, AB to be twice of AD to be twice of A square minus B square, which is what the answer is going to be. Sir, you took too much time. I had to explain, bacha, that's why. I wanted to recall all the concept. I don't want to skip anything right now. Exams are around the corner. Okay, we don't have much time left, right? So I have to be very, very thorough in everything that I'm doing right now. Please check. Question number 3 is done, right? Question number 3 is done, bacha. Let's move on to question number 4. All right, sir. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Okay, center of the circle O. All right, and QPR is a tangent to it. QPR is a tangent to it. Okay, chaliye, chalega. So this is the tangent of the circle and O is the center. Prove that QAP plus APR is 90 degree. QAP plus APR 90 degree. Actually, this is again taught in grade 9 somewhat. Okay, so if you remember, these properties have been taught, but question has been asked in CBSE 2023 paper. Right? A very good question, bacha. It's not a repeated question, but it's a very good question. Okay, I like this question because it challenges you a little bit. That's why I've taken it here. Yes, this question has not been asked more than once, but I find it very interesting. That's why I've taken it over here. Please accept it. Okay, chaliye. So we had to prove, basically, if I name the triangles in a simpler way, sorry, not triangles, angles in the simpler way, they're asking us to prove, bacha, this angle 1 and this angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. That's what they're asking. All of you agree? Okay. Let's call this to be angle 3. This to be angle 3. Do we know angle 2 and angle 3 equal? Do we know angle 2 and angle 3 equal? Why? Why? Think of an answer. Why angle 2 and angle 3 equal, bacha? Angles in the alternate segment, right? So angle made by this chord AP and the tangent. Angle made by this chord AP and the tangent in this segment is how much, bacha? Is angle 2. And in alternate segment, this other segment, this is the segment, right? This is the segment, right? So in the other segment, what is the angle made by the chord? Angle 3. So angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. What property is there? Angle made by the chord in alternate segments. Okay, chaliye. So we have angle, okay, subtended by chord AP, right? I'll write AP also. AP in alternate segments. In alternate segments. Acha, this you understand, right? In first segment it has to be with the tangent, okay? Not with the chord. Chord and tangent. So AP and PR. Okay? So it makes, bacha, angle, I won't write 2. I wrote 2, 3 to make you understand the figure. I'll write APR. I'll write, sir, APR equals to PBA. PBA, let me call this as equation number 1. We also know APB is 90 degree. We also know angle APB is 90 degree. How come, sir? Angles on a diameter or angles in a semicircle. Check this out. AB is the diameter, right? And angle made on the diameter will be how much? Always 90 degree. Okay. So angle of a semicircle, or you can also write or subtended by a diameter. You can write angle of a semicircle or angle subtended by a diameter is always 90 degree. Agreed? Okay. Now with this known, we also know, bacha, in triangle ABP, what we have, sir? We have angle A plus angle B plus angle P as 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle P. What is that, sir? Angle sum property. You have to write, bacha, all the reasons. You can't skip that, okay? It's a 3-mark question, okay? So angle sum property. Chaliye. With that known, we can say simply angle B plus angle A plus angle B would be 90 degree. Because angle P is 90 degree from here. Check it out. So angle A plus angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Chaliye. Name of angle A, sir. Name of angle A is, bacha, QAP from here. QAP, because we want that only. That's why. QAP is the name of the angle A. So angle QAP. Now what is angle B, bacha? Angle B is nothing but PBA. Okay. Now PBA equals to APR from equation 1. QAP plus APR is 90 degree. How come, sir? From equation 1. from equation number 1, sir. PBA equals to APR, so PBA is APR. Hence proved. Good question or not? A very good question. I hope you had fun. I hope you've had fun solving this question. Okay, let's move on to question number 5 now quickly. Okay, sir. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. The first property, right now. Tangent to any point, let's call this to be the particular point, okay? Okay, this is my point, okay, point of the contact. Let's call this to be point P, this to be O. They're saying that prove that OP is perpendicular to this tangent XY. Prove it. What is the proof, bacha? They're asking us to what? To prove OP is perpendicular to XY. Okay. Same thing can be asked in this format also. At the point of contact of the angle between the radius and tangent is 90 degree. So we can ask either in this format or this format. Question is same. Question is same. You can see the question was asked in 16 paper, 11 paper as well. Okay. The question was asked in the two different format in 11 and 16. Okay. Chali. So what we're gonna do? We have to take a construction, bacha. So construction is join the line OA, okay, join the line OA, okay, and you can write another line OB, okay, and right here OC, OA, OB, OC, okay, chaliye. So construction is what, bacha? Join, draw a line OA, OB, OC. Draw, not a, right? It's 3 now. So draw lines right here. Draw lines. Excuse me. Draw lines. What is it? OA, OB, OC. OA, OB, OC. OA, OB, OC. Okay. So we have drawn like this OA, OB, and OC, and this point ABC are lying on the tangent. Okay. Now think about it. Out of these 2 points, bacha, which is bigger? Out of OB and OP, which is bigger, sir? When you compare OB and OP, sir, which is bigger line? Okay, compare OB and OP. So OB is greater than OP, right? If you keep drawing it like this, OA, again, bacha, greater than OP, right? So if you keep drawing, bacha, like this, so OB greater than OP, OA greater than OP, and also you get OC will be greater than OP. You can take more lines like this. You can take more lines. OD, OX, whatever line you take, it'll always be, bacha, greater than the line OP. What's the conclusion? The conclusion is, this is the proof part, okay? This is the proof part. So the conclusion is, sir, OP is the shortest distance between the point O and tangent XY. So OP is the shortest distance between the point O and the tangent XY. And remember this, the shortest distance is always called, bacha, what? Perpendicular. Okay. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to the line XY. Check this out. Hence proved. 3 marker it was. Okay, it was a 3 mark question. Yes. Please check this out. Yes, sir, it doesn't have a lot of statement in it. You don't have to prove the congruency, anything like that. Just simply explain the conditions the way I have explained it to you. Okay, please check. Question 5 is done. Let's move on to question number 6 now. The lengths of a tangent drawn from external points to a circle are equal. It's a theorem, bacha. It's a theorem. We have to prove it. Check this. Asked in 16, 11, 17, 18. 16, 11, 17, and 18. Why not ask after that, sir? Because they have been asking BPT. So when we go to circle, I'll let you know that is also very important. PPT and converse, bacha. They're asking that also recently. Okay. But even this can be asked, right? You can see check the trend. 11, 16, 17, 18. They have asked, bacha, this question back to back. Okay. So how do you prove this question? You draw first a circle. Okay. Length of tangent is drawn from external point. So let's draw external point from here. Tangent is like this. 1 second. I can draw better. Yeah. Okay. Chali. This works. It's not a perfect bacha, just accept it. It's not a very perfect figure, but please allow me to explain from here only. This is a point, let's say P. This is a point, let's say A. This is the point, let's say B. Okay. Circle is O. Join it, sir. Perpendicular. Don't ask me why. We just proved it. No. Perpendicular between tangent and the radius. Okay. We have to prove PA equals to PB. So join, bacha. The construction is that this is joining OP. Joining OP. So we'll take the to prove part first. To prove is, sir, PA equals to PB. These two are tangents, right? So PA equal to PB. Okay. What's the construction, bacha? Of course, you have to join OA and OB perpendicular to. Construction is, sir. Construction is, bacha, OA. So join OA, OB, and OP. Right? Join OA, OB, and OP. Do you have to say OA perpendicular to AP? We don't have to say that, right? Because OA is a radius, no? It has to be perpendicular, okay? OB is a radius, it has to be perpendicular. Again, we don't have to say OA perpendicular to AP and OB perpendicular to BP. We are not making it, it's already perpendicular. All of you agree? Okay. So construction is done. Let's go to proof, sir. Let's go to proof part. Okay, chaliye. So now if you check out the proof, bacha, what we have here is in triangle OAP and OBP. In triangle OAP and triangle OBP, what we have, sir? We'll try to prove congruency, okay? So we have angle B equals to angle A. Reason, sir, 90 degree. They are both 90 degrees, so they have to be equal, okay? Now, bacha, we have OA equals to OB. OA equals to OB. Reason, bacha, they are both equal to radius. They are both the radiuses, no? The radii. They have to be equal, no? Okay. We also have the side OA common. Oh, sorry, not OA. OP common. OP is a common side. It means OP equals to OP or PO, whatever you call. So we have right angle, the hypotenuse, and the side. Right angle, hypotenuse, and the side. Same, bacha, right angle, hypotenuse, and the side. So by RHS property, therefore, triangle OAP, right? OAP is congruent to, is congruent to triangle OBP. The property is RHS criteria of congruency, right? Okay, RHS criteria of congruency. When that happens, I can say by CPCT, sir, PA equals to PB. Why, sir? CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangles. Please check. Okay, done. PA equals to PB. Is it difficult? Of course not, sir. Question number 6 is done. Okay, very simple. Let's move on to question number 7. We have external line over here. I'll draw it like this. I'll just remove it. Question number 7 now. Prove that. That's a very good question again, bacha. It's asked in 2012 paper in March and AI paper in March 2019. Very relevant question and it's good also. Okay, not difficult, good question. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. So the figure will not be given to you. Okay, I've taken just because it's going to be neat for us. If I draw, I might not be able to make this perfect corners and might look messy. That's why I've taken the figure directly, but actually in the exams you have to draw the figure. This has to be drawn from your side. Drawn by us. We don't have to, they'll not give you the question, bacha. They'll not give you the figure, okay? The statement will be given. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle supplementary angles at the center. Means basically, bacha, they are asking that angle COD and AOB added is what? 180 degree, or angle AOD, okay, and BOC will be also 180 degree. That's what they're asking, okay? So I'll write here to prove a statement. To prove, I'll ask, I'll write over here. So I can take any of the pair. I don't have to write both of them. I'll take AOB and COD. I'll take angle AOB plus angle COD equals to 180 degree. I will not take the second one. It's understood, right? Total sum is what, bacha? 360 degree. How much is it? 360 degrees, okay? This sum is 180 means this sum will also be 180. And once more, it is not vertically opposite angle. It is not vertically opposite angle, because for vertically opposite angle, what happens? The line has to be straight line intersection. Is it a straight line? Is AC a straight line? No, sir. AO to OC then. So the angle DOC and BOA are not vertically opposite angle. I hope you understand, right? Yes, sir. So what happens now in exam, if I have not studied this property, I simply take all angles to be 360 degree and write their opposite, so sum is equal, so 90 90 90. Incorrect, okay? Don't do that. Chaliye. So AOB COD is 180 degree. We have to prove this. Now check the proof part. So we know, bacha, one thing in the proof part. Have a look. AS and AP are equal. We just proved, no? AS and AP are equal, right? From the external point A, the tangents AS and AP are tangents, right? Tangent, right? So they'll make equal angle. Angle 1 and angle 2 is equal, sir. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, sir. How come, bacha? Okay, I'll write the property, don't worry. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angle 3 equals to angle 4. Same way, 5 equal to 6. Okay, same way, angle 7 equals to angle 8. Reason, sir? Reason, bacha? Angle subtended by tangents, equal tangents at the point of center are equal. Okay, equal tangents. You don't have to write equal, actually, because once you write bacha external point, it becomes equal directly. Okay, so by tangents I can write by tangents. Okay, we'll write directly by tangents. By tangents drawn from an external point at the center are equal. So I'll repeat this statement again. Angles are equal, okay, not the tangents are equal. I'm using angle subtended by, okay, I've written by twice, okay, so I'll repeat that. I've repeated that, so I'll remove it. Okay, let me read it again. Angle subtended by tangents drawn. So tangents drawn from an external point at the center are equal. So angle subtended by the tangents drawn from external point. So AP and AS are the tangents drawn from external point at the center. So angle 1 equals to angle 2. Same way, from external point B, 3 equals to 4. How come, sir? Angle subtended by the tangents. Tangents is making the angle over here at the center from the external point B. Same way, from C we have 5 and 6 equal. Same way, from D 7 and 8 are equal. Reason I'll explain again. Angle subtended by the tangents. Tangents are making an angle where? At the center, when the tangent is drawn from the external point. Agreed? So that's why 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are equal. Okay, now we also know that very, very important, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is how much, sir? 360. What is that, bacha? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. No, not quadrilateral, right? No, excuse me. Okay, it's a complete angle, no? It's a complete angle, sir. Complete angle, bacha. Forgive me, I wrote the wrong property. Angle about any point, no, it's a complete angle, right? It's a complete angle, bacha. 360 degree. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is 360 degrees. All of you agree. That's not a problem, okay? Chaliye. Now, have a look. I'm going to combine it. For angle 1 and 2, I'll write it as twice of angle 2. For angle 1 and 2, I'll write it as twice of angle 2. I'll show you the clubbing, okay? Angle 1 and 2 I'll club together, okay, and write it as twice of angle 2, okay? Now, then bacha, I'll write angle 3 and 4 together, okay? And for this, I'll write bacha angle 3, okay? Angle 5 and 6 together, I'll write it as angle 6, and 7 and 8 together, I'll write it as angle 7. You'll see now, okay? So it'll become twice of angle 2 plus. How comes a twice of angle 2, bacha? Because angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, right? So I can write angle 1 as angle 2. It'll become angle 2 plus angle 2. So twice of angle 2. I'll repeat again. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So it'll become angle 2 plus angle 2. I'm writing angle 1 as angle 2. I'll write this as angle 2. So angle 2 plus angle 2. Twice of angle 2. Okay. So what is happening? Twice of angle 2. Same way here. 3 and 4 are equal. I'll write it as twice of angle 3. 3 and 4 are equal. I'll write this bracket as twice of angle 3. Plus, have a look now. 5 and 6 are equal, I'll write it as twice of angle 6. 7 and 8 are equal. 7 and 8 are equal. I'll add 7 and 8 as twice of angle 7. Becomes equals to what, bacha? Becomes equals to 360 degrees, sir. 360 degrees, sir. 1 second. Okay. Now do one thing. Take 2 common. Take 2 common. So take 2 common here. Angle 2 plus angle 3 I'm getting over here. Take 2 common over here. What is it? Angle 6 plus angle 7 I'm getting over here. This is 360 degree. I can take 2 common again. What is angle 2 plus angle 3, bacha? Angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3. AOB. 2 plus 3 is angle AOB. Twice of angle AOB plus. What is it, sir? We had 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. COD. 6 plus 7 is COD. 6 plus 7 is COD. Take 2 common now. I get angle AOB plus angle COD equals to 360 degrees. 2 here cancels this. I'm getting, bacha, 180 degree. I'm getting here angle AOB plus angle COD is 180 degrees. Proof supplementary. Proof supplementary. Have a look. Supplementary, right? Supplementary. AOB plus COD is 180 degree. We have to prove that. We have got it over here. I'll show you from the beginning. Just have a look. Okay. I hope this explains, bacha. Clearly, question number 7 is done. Let's move on to question number 8. From an external point, 2 tangents are drawn to a circle. Prove that the line joining the external point to the tangents to the circle of the circle bisects the angle in between. Same property, right? Okay. Same property, right? Yeah. Asked in 2023 and 2011. Check. Same question, sir. Repeated in this format, bacha. Over here. Have a look. No, this one. Yeah. Same concept is repeated in that format. 2023 they have asked. It means this question becomes very, very relevant. Very relevant question. Can be asked this year as well. Check this out. 2011, 2017, 2018. Same concept, bacha, again asked and reframed like this and asked this year. 2023 they have asked again. Okay. What are they asking? From external point P, 2 tangents are drawn. So draw the tangents, bacha. PA, PB. Okay. To a circle, prove that the line joining the external point to the center of the circle. The line joining external point to the center of the circle. That's the line joining. Won't you agree? Line joining to the external point to the center of the circle is this line only. Okay, bisects the angle between the tangent. Means, bacha, they are saying this angle equals to this angle. Right, right, right. So very good question. Same concept, will it work? Not? Of course it will work, sir. This is 90 degree, bacha. This is 90 degree, bacha. This is radius, this is radius. It's common side. I'll not prove the congruency, just proved it. Okay. I'll say triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOP and BOP. Triangle BOP. Reason, sir? RHS. Sir, how, sir? Question number 8, no, 6 I think, right? Yeah, question number 6, same thing I've done here. OAP and OBP I've done, so same property, right? OAP and OBP or AOP and BOP is also same thing. So I'll write here question number 6. Check question number 6, bacha. Check question number 6, sir. Please check. For this beautiful answer, sir, please check question number 6. Once that is done, bacha, we can say directly by CPCT angle OPA or APO equals to angle BPO. How come, sir? CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, right? They're overlapping, right? It means this angle and this angle has to be equal. Hence the line joining external point to center of the circle bisects angle between 2 tangents. Bisects angle between two tangents. All of you agree? All of you agree? This line is bisecting the angle, means this part is equal to this part. If I call this to be angle 1, this is to be angle 2. They're saying what? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. We have proved it over here. Please check. Okay. So this is a bacha two proof part. Okay. This is a two proof part. Angle APO and angle BPO are equal. That's a two proof part. Okay. If you want, I can write it over here. Somewhere I not have the space over here. So just mention it over here as two proof. Just write it like this. Two proof may we have angle 1 equal to angle 2. Just write it like this. Alright, here APO equal to BPO. We have proved it over here. We have proved it over here, sir. Hence statement, just to verify that, just to confirm that. Question number 8 is done. Had fun. Same question. Now you can see the pattern. Now you're confident that you can get this question in the examination and you can solve it now. I have explained it to you. Okay. Let me know your comments. Okay. Let me know your feedback. You're having fun solving these questions. Let's move on to question number 9. In the given figure, an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC. With AB equals to AC. Okay. Circumscribing a circle. Okay. Circle is circumscribed. चलिए, prove that the point of contact P bisects the base BC. Okay. So to prove we have, sir, BP equals to CP. BP equals to CP. BP equals to CP. BP equals to CP. We have to prove this. Let's prove it. Okay, what we have over here, bacha? AB equals to AC. First thing. AB equal to AC, sir. Equation number 1, sir. Given, sir. Okay, sir. AB equal to AC. Equation number 1 given. Not a problem, sir. Okay, sir. AB equal to AC, sir. Next, bacha. Next what? AR equal to AQ, sir. AR equal to AQ, sir. AR equal to AQ, na, sir. How come, sir? How come, sir? From the external point A, tangent is drawn. From the external point A, tangent is drawn, means they have to be equal. So yes, tangents drawn from an external point. Sir, same thing you're writing. I have to write, bacha. The marking scheme asks us to give all the reasons. It matters. I've done a video on that. Go ahead, check out your marking scheme for geometrical part. Okay, I have given the detailed answers in that video. Okay, chaliye. So AR equals to AQ. AR equals to AQ. Do one thing. Subtract them. Subtract this. Subtract, bacha. Equation 1 minus equation 2. AB minus AR. AR equals to AC minus AQ. AB minus AR is BR. AC minus AQ is CQ. Equation number 3. BR equals to CQ is equation number 3. Also, sir, BR equal to BP, sir. Okay. And CQ equal to CP, sir. This is equation number 4. CQ equals to CP, sir. Equation number 5, right? So many equations. Yes. Is it difficult? Of course not. BR, BP are equal. BR, BP are equal. CP, CQ are equal. Why, sir? The same reason over here. Same reason, sir. Tangents from the external point. Tangents drawn from the external point are equal. That's why. Now check from equation 3, 4 and 5. BR equal to CQ and BR equal to BP. It means CQ equals to BP. BR equals to BR, CQ equals to BP. Correct, na? From here, 3 and this. CQ equals to CP, it means CP equals to BR. From here, what we are getting from this mess of equation 3, 4, 5. Sir, BR equals to BP, CQ equals to CP, BR equals to BP, CQ equals to CP, and also BR and CQ equals, means all 4 are equal to each other. Correct, na? This equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this. It means all 4 are equal to each other. It means, bacha, what? BP equals to CP. BP equals to CP. We had to prove that and we have got it here. So why only this 4? Bacha, because all 4 are equal. I don't have to write all the 4, right? So we can write, bacha, what? From equation 3, 4, 5. Equation 3, equation 4 and 5. Equation 3, 4, 5, we can get this. BP equals to CP. Question number 9 is done. Simple or not? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. But yes, paper was asked in, this question was asked in your paper, March 2020 and 2012. Have a look. 9th is done. Let's move on to question number 10th. It's a case study question, bacha. Yes, not asked so many times. Only 2024 they have asked this question, but I wanted to solve one case study for you. That's why I've taken this question. I hope that is okay. Yes. Let's solve this question now. Backyard is in the shape of a triangle ABC. This backyard, this triangle ABC, with the right angle at B. This is the right angle at B. Here also right angle at B. Okay. Chaliye. Right angle at B. AB is 8. AB is 8. BC is 15. BC is 15. A circular pit was dug inside it such that it touches the walls AC, BC, AB. Means you're digging a pit. Okay. Digging a pit such that it touches the walls of all these sides of the triangle. So basically the sides will become a tangent. 1 point contact, touch means tangent. So means the sides are the tangent of the circle. Okay, chaliye. So at the point PQR, that's what they've given. Such that AP equals to X. Where is AP, bacha? This AP is X. 1 second. This AP here is X, sir. This AP here is X, sir. Okay. Agreed? Okay. Now, based on the above information, answer the following question. Let's answer the first one. Find the length of AR in terms of X. You can solve it over here only. First part. AR. AR is equal to, sir, AP, sir. It means X only, na, sir. So, X meters. AR equal to AP. AR equal to AP. How come, sir? Tangents from the external point A to the circle are equal. That's why AR equals to AP. First part is done. Second part now. Write the type of the equilateral BQOR. 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 This picture. Okay. We'll solve it over here. Next slide. Just give me 1 second. Okay. What we have here is BQOR, right? So I'll say, what is it? Question number 2. Question number 2. Check carefully. BQ, what we have here is actually, bacha, OQ is perpendicular to BQ, and we also have OR perpendicular to BR. OQ perpendicular to BQ and OR perpendicular to BR. Also angle B is 90 degree. Okay, and we have OQ equals to OR. OQ equals to OR. The radius, please check. Basically, I'm trying to say here is all 4 angles are 90 degree. All 4 angles. This is given 90 degree. Right angle triangle. This is 90 because of the radius and tangent. Also 90. It means all 4 angles are 90 degree. Right? So a rectangle. Also this side equal to this side. Radiuses. They are both radiuses, sir. They are both radiuses, sir. It means what? It means it will be a square. It will be a square. All 4 sides are equal and all 4 angles are 90 degree. It means OBQR is a square, sir. A square. Question number 3 now. 3A part. 3A part. Have a look. Chaliye. Let's see. 3A. Find the length PC in terms of X. Length PC in terms of X. Okay. We know AR is X. Means what is BR, sir? AB equals to 8 meters, right? AR is X. It means, bacha, BR would be 8 minus X. Please check. AR is X means BR would be 8 minus X. Total 8 minus this part X. Okay. 1 second. This total, bacha, will be AB here. How much is AB? 8. How much is this, bacha? X. This part is X, right? They're equal, no? AR is X, bacha. It means BR will be 8 minus X. Also, BR equals to BQ. BR equals to BQ. BR equals to BQ. Alright. And bacha, what will happen? This will become equal to, have a look, 8 minus X. We also know BC is how much, sir? BC is 15, right? BC is 15, right? Given here, BC is 15. It means CQ will be BC minus BQ. So CQ will be BC minus BQ, BC minus BQ. Check this out. This whole BC minus BQ will give me CQ. All of you agree? Okay, have a look. It will become 15 minus 8 minus x, which is nothing but 15 minus 8 is just 7, and minus become plus. 7 plus x meters is my value of CQ. Okay, chaliye. We also know CQ is equals to CP, same property, external point. So CP equals to bacha how much? 7 plus x. So we are getting CP equals to 7 plus x meters. What are they asking in 3-part A? Okay, hence find the value of x. Hence find the value of x. Okay, we know bacha one more thing. CP plus AP will be AC. And what is AC value? What is AC value, sir? AC square equals to bacha AB square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. Please check Pythagoras theorem. 1 second. AC square is the hypotenuse, right? So hypotenuse square equals to adjacent and the opposite squares. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. All of you agree? Hence bacha, hence over here what I have, AC square equals to, check this out, it will become 8 square plus 15 square. So I get AC square, sorry, simply I can write it as AC now. Root of, I'll write root on the other side. Root of, how much is that going to be? 64 plus 225, how much is that? 289 I think. Please check. So I'll have AC as simply 17 meters. 17 meters. Okay, so what will happen to this bacha? AC equals to actually what? AP plus CP. Check this out. AP plus CP. AC equals to AP plus CP. So x plus 7 plus x. X plus 7 plus x is 17. It means x is how much bacha? 2x plus 7 is 17, right? It means x is 5. X is 5 meters. X is equal to 5 meters bacha. I hope you agree. I have x plus 7 plus x. Bring this 7. Bring this 7 on this side. It will become 17 minus 7. How much is that? 10. I have 2x over here. 2x becomes 10 means x is 5. Right? X is 5. So I have bacha x as 5 meters. Okay. Now B part. 3B. Chaliye. Find x and hence find the radius of the circle. Check this out. Isn't radius nothing but BR? It's a square, right? It is a square. It means all of this will be equal. So nothing but I can write here. The radius is equals to BR. And what is BR value? Please check. I have the BR value somewhere here. BR is, sir, 8 minus x. BR is 8 minus x. So 8 minus x. So 8 minus 5 equals to 3 meters. Hence, the radius is equals to 3 meters. Please check. Please check. Radius equals to 3 meters, bacha. From here, question number 10. All right. Have a look. I hope all of this is visible to you. This also clearly visible, bacha. Okay. All right, sir. So with this bacha, our session is complete. We have solved all the questions, all 10 problems. You let me know your feedback in the comment section, what you felt about this session. Okay. So we have solved quality questions, the most important questions. Okay. I'm gonna take care, take your leave right now. You have to keep working hard. I know times are getting tougher right now. You have a lot of things to do, not only in maths, in other subjects as well. I wish you all the best for that. Keep yourself positive. Do whatever you can do right now. Don't focus on too many things. Okay, don't worry about too many things, because worrying will not help you. What is going to help you is your actions. Okay, so do one thing. Try to be calm, whatever you can, how much ever you can. Okay, and do your work. Focus on your actions, bacha. Whatever you can do in this minute, that's what important right now. If you worry too much, you might get lost. You might get little discouraged. So don't do that. You have time today. Today, what you can do the best, do that. Do that. Focus on that. Make your day the great day that you can have today. And once you are done, that means of course you are going to be improved to some extent. So keep working like that and get your revision complete. Okay, anything that I can do for you, let me know in the comment section. I'll take your leave. Keep working hard, keep smiling. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.